There's a way to bring high-speed internet.
Hey Jason! Recently I upgraded my Wi-Fi to 500 megabits per second.
Okay.
During the call, they say I can upgrade instantly.
Oh, how are you liking the speed?
It's not as fast as I want it to be lah.
But have you upgraded your router yet?
Huh? What?
What's up guys, Jason smashpop here, your friendly neighborhood tech creator.
Hold on. You mean I need to upgrade my router to get fast home Wi-Fi?
Yes, legacy users of telco's fiber connections for the past 10 to 20 years may not have upgraded their routers in their house. Hence, without the new router and new technologies like Wi-Fi 6, you'll never get the real speed because the routers cannot support. So here are the differences between Wi-Fi 5 and also Wi-Fi 6 that you should know. Wi-Fi 5 routers can go up to 3.5 gigabits per second only, while Wi-Fi 6 routers can go up to 9.6 gigabits per second, and this is due to the improved modulation and also wider channels. Now, when it comes to capacity and efficiency, Wi-Fi 5 uses a technology called MU-MIMO, which is multi-user, multi-input, multi-output, which supports only downlink from router to devices. Wi-Fi 6, on the other hand, enhances MU-MIMO to support both uplink and downlink, so more devices can communicate simultaneously, and each of them uses efficient data transmissions for faster speeds. Wi-Fi 5 provides an estimated range of up to 25 meters, but it struggles when it's in an environment with multiple devices, leading to congestion and also interference. This results in higher latency and slower performance, especially when multiple devices are connected. On the other hand, Wi-Fi 6 improves the coverage and also the range and provides a range up to 60 meters. If you live in a single-story house, a single Wi-Fi 6 router will likely provide sufficient coverage, unlike Wi-Fi 5, where you might need additional extenders or a mesh system to eliminate dead zones. Wi-Fi 5 can experience high latency in crowded networks due to limited handling of multiple devices, while Wi-Fi 6 reduces the latency significantly, making it very suitable for gaming, video calls, or any applications that need instant result. Now, when it comes to battery, Wi-Fi 5 does not have any features to help conserve battery for your devices. But when it comes to Wi-Fi 6, it has this feature called Target Wake Time, which allows devices to schedule when to wake up to send and also receive data. And this also means better battery life for your devices like smartphone, tablets, and more. Now let's talk about security. Wi-Fi 5 is less secure because it uses WPA2, which has vulnerabilities, while Wi-Fi 6 has WPA3 that has enhanced security features and also protection against brute force attacks. So which one should you go for? Of course, the better and newer one, which is Wi-Fi 6. Nowadays, it is a very common tech, and most telcos do provide Wi-Fi 6 routers for home internet. For example, CelcomDigi offers home internet plans with true-to-speed performance thanks to its Wi-Fi 6 router, which is also provided for free. To make it even better, the plans come with free installation, making it a seamless experience to upgrade your home internet. So that's all for my sharing about Wi-Fi 5 and also Wi-Fi 6 differences for your home internet. Hope you were able to learn a little bit from this video. If you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the red button below the video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!